Good morning, children. So, see, we are going to start coloring session of the parrot for class 5. First, we are going to color the neck portion, which you all know is of red color. Okay, children, now beak. You all know the color of the beak of the parrot is red. This is the only bird which has got red beak. See, now the green part. While coloring, if you feel a little bit difficulty in coloring, always you can rotate your file. It will be easy for you to color. A little bit of dark green shading. On the feather part, we will do some dark green color. Now again we will start with light green color. Okay, children, see, our parrot is ready. Now the brown part. Now our branch is also ready. Now we are going to make the legs of our parrot. Here we are using orange color. Okay, so it is likely to finish. On this branch we have shown not many but few leaves also. So see, our parrot is ready. Now you all can also make it. So hope you all must have enjoyed making parrot. So we will meet in the next class. Enjoy and have a nice day.